Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on August 14, 2025, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. The market closed softer today. The all-share price index finished at 19,928.67, down 46.83 points, a decline of 0.23%. The S&P SL 20 ended at 5,780.58, falling 35.06 points, or 0.6%. At the close, total market capitalization stood at 7,009.42 billion rupees. Total market turnover for the day was 7.07 billion rupees. Crossings were active at 1.71 billion rupees, with the largest blocks recorded in Digital Mobility Solutions Lanka and Associated Motor Finance Company. Domestic investors led market purchases, totaling 7,005.41 million rupees and accounting for approximately 99% of total buying activity. Foreign purchases amounted to 60.50 million rupees, making up the remaining 1%. On the sales front, domestic investors posted sales of 6,976.92 million rupees, also representing about 99% of total market sales, while foreign sales were modest at 88.99 million rupees, or around 1%. Now, let's look at the top gainers of the day. Leading the list was Advanced Electricals, posting strong gains on active buying. In second place, Alpha Fire Services advanced on renewed investor interest. Laxapana followed, continuing its upward momentum. Lanka Credit and Business Finance also moved higher on steady demand. Rounding out the top five, Lanka Ventures closed notably stronger. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. TES Agro, non-voting, led the declines, followed by TES Agro, voting, which also fell sharply. Odell slipped further on profit-taking, while Muller and Phipps, Ceylon, recorded notable weakness. Rounding out the list, Colombo Investment Trust closed lower. Now let's look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. Topping the list was Digital Mobility Solutions Lanka, which provided the biggest lift to the index. Cooperative Insurance Company also added meaningful support, contributing to the upward move. DFCC Bank helped the ASPI advance with strong buying interest. Advanced Electricals featured among the contributors after its solid gains. Rounding out the group, LDL Energy Fund added further positive momentum to the index. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the all-share price index for the day. Haley's led the declines, exerting the most downward pressure on the index. Sampath Bank followed, weighing on market performance. Central Finance Company also pulled the index lower. Cargill's, Ceylon, added to the negative sentiment with a weaker close. Rounding out the list, National Development Bank recorded further losses, dragging the index down. Thank you for joining us for today's market roundup.